What if I told you we are already losing the history of space travel, and we're not even close to finishing the journey? We've left footprints on the moon, cameras in orbit, and dreams scattered across galaxies, but who's saving them before they vanish forever? Welcome to Future Forward. If you're fascinated by humanity's leap into space and want to know how we can protect our celestial legacy before it's lost forever, subscribe now, hit that like button, and blast off with us into a story that's as cosmic as it is critical. July 20th, 1969. Neil Armstrong took one small step for man. But what if those very footsteps disappeared? Today, just like the ruins of ancient cities or the silent statues of Easter Island, space archaeology seeks to protect the traces of our journey beyond Earth, before time, nature, or human greed erases them. Much of what we've left in orbit, on the moon, or even here on Earth's launch sites, could be destroyed or repurposed. In the name of progress, that on the same day the moon was listed on the World Monuments Fund's watch list, a new lander from Firefly Aerospace touched down just 90 miles from Tranquility Base. Coincidence? Or a cosmic warning? So wait, are archaeologists in space using shovels and zero gravity? Not quite. Meet Alice Gorman and Justin Walsh, the Indiana Joneses of outer space. Except instead of dodging booby traps, they're dodging bureaucracy, space debris, and Elon Musk's timetable. Kayla Barron marking the first ever archaeological field in space at ISAP, International Space Station Archaeological Project, using digital photos to uncover astronaut behavior and culture. From geocaching tags to sacred icons floating near science racks, astronauts aren't just scientists, they're humans creating culture in orbit. Why does this matter? Because these studies are already shaping how future spacecraft are designed. Space isn't just engineering, it's evolving into human habitat. Culture follows. Will our descendants know how we lived among the stars? But what happens when these artifacts age, fall, or are intentionally destroyed? Vanguard 1, Earth's oldest orbiting satellite, could either crash or be saved for a future museum in space. The ISS. Elon Musk wants it deorbited soon. Hubble? Still undecided. Would you throw away the first painting ever made? Then why are we risking history in orbit? From missile parts tossed over fences in the 1960s to preserving launch complexes reused by Blue Origin today, archaeologists are racing against time on the ground and in orbit. Even Tranquility Base now has 106 documented artifacts, from scoops and sensors to the haunting patch from Apollo 1 and Soviet medals left by American astronauts. Yes, in the middle of the Cold War, this isn't just metal and dust. These are the silent echoes of humanity's greatest leap. Will we preserve them, or let them fade into the vacuum? So, are we the generation that watches our cosmic heritage vanish, or the one that saves it? Subscribe to Future Forward for more stories that blend science, culture, and innovation. Comment below, what space artifact would you preserve for future generations? Like this video to support modern space archaeology and keep these stories alive. And don't stop here. Watch our next video on how private spaceflight is reshaping the future of humanity. It's right there.